And here we have some mockingbirds. It's like a mother bird and a couple baby birds. And the babies are too stupid to catch their own food. Oh. Okay, there we go. We have two mother birds. It's very brave of them, the two mother birds, to raise the baby birds together without fear or scrutiny.
You realize you're filming an oven in our front yard?
Yeah, no, there's some remodeling in one of our apartments, so there's some things. But you see the mama bird goes, it lands on top of the dismantled stove that's being repaired. And it goes up and it catches a flying insect. And it takes it over here. Let's see, where's the... Okay, now it's just eating. It was feeding the baby. There it goes, it catches one. Let's see. There you go. Feed the baby. Your stupid fucking baby. So that's pretty cool. They pissed off those ants. I don't know if you can see that. But they're just ignoring me. They're like, huh, just gonna feed my stupid fucking baby. Baby's too stupid to bend over and peck an ant, so I have to put it in its mouth for it. There's the stupid fucking baby right there. See? Now it's dumbfounded. Mama bird flew away. I know it can fly. It can fly, so it can't even eat. Oh, it went to go get a better bug from somewhere else. Our bugs aren't good enough. So, apparently that's how mama bird feeds baby bird. Mosquitoes and ants and shit. Alright. Tune in next time when I hop into the pouch of a wild wallaby.